So hi guys, we're back for another video. As you can see, got a new cage that me and my dad built. So the reason why I've been doing many videos lately is because I always help my dad do this. So yeah, as you can see, we've got Suzanne's male and Emma's daughter. I think it's female, but Emma's like baby too. So we've got food there and we've got water in there. So that's good. It's a really nice cage. And you can see there's a hangy bit there to hang it on, so yeah. So it's moved around a bit, so yeah. As you can see, we've took, like, I think 2 of these out. And then Suzanne's there, and she's got eggs inside of there. So, as you can see with there, she's got, she's got eggs in there. So that's good. And then, that's them. These are the zebra finches. I think they have babies in there, so yeah. Or eggs, maybe. And then this is another couple of zebra finches. And you can see, and as you can see, we put baths in because it's hot today, so yeah. Now on to my sister's budgies. So here, let's check this baby. He's grown quite a lot since last time. Show them your colours. There you go. Look at that. He's green. He's lovely. Come on. Don't be scared. Right, anyway, he's in there. As you can see, you've got eggs too there. More eggs. So, yeah. So, we will get on with it. And we'll check the zebras. Yeah, so. As you can see, it's very dark in here. I don't know if there might be a baby there, but I don't know. And there's an egg, definitely. So yeah, these are Mia's, my little brothers. Oh, they've got 2 eggs. That's really good. So get back to your nest. And then, as you can see, we've got Emma and her baby that I showed you in the last video. Get a bit closer. There. That's them. Very nice. And then we've got more babies here. That's Suzanne's baby. That looks like Emma. Yeah, and she's got like it, but this one has a yellowy belly. And then this is the Emma's baby too, and this is one Suzanne's babies. So they're there. These are, I think, 2 male zebra finches, maybe. Just here. So that's good. And then we have, we've took these out, a few of them. So they got, I think that's the youngest baby one, the yellowy face. That's one of the older ones. The older one and the young. He's young, but he's like older than him. So I think. So then there's the mother. There's the father. As you can see. We've got more eggs, so that's really good for me. And then we'll check this couple and their babies. As you can see, it's super cute. There's 2 of them, I think, there. So, very good. And we've got the babies in here. So, yeah. So, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.